Bonjour, this is Julien the Frenchman who makes French pronunciation videos here on YouTube, and we are looking at how to pronounce with a typical French pronunciation as well as how to pronounce it in English the name of this French department or French département located in the Grand Est region or Grand East region of northeastern France. Some of you may be familiar with this name or wondering how it's said, some of you listeners, because this is also the name of an American World War II cemetery and memorial located in Belgium that bears the same name because this is the name of a wide region to the north of France and up to Belgium. In France, this department is just north of the Champagne region. Anyhow, how do you go about pronouncing it in French? We would say Ardennes. The S at the end is definitely silent, so do not worry about it. Ardennes. In English, however, if you cannot pronounce the French R, you would say Ardennes, the Ardennes department, or the Ardennes American Cemetery. Here are more videos on how to pronounce the names of many famous places around France, including the name of another World War I American cemetery and memorial. See you there to learn more.